Hey there, thanks for clicking. In today's video, school choice lottery results are out and phase 2 is now open. Now I'm gonna tell you what to do if you didn't get your first choice and where you can go this weekend for some in-person help. Plus, we're hiring with a teacher hiring event also happening this weekend, along with a look at some of the great work happening in our early childhood centers and a big honor, a big statewide honor that is for one of our educators. Now let's get into it. It is Wednesday, April 8th. Well, school choice lottery results are out. Now, parents, if you took part in phase 1, check your email for those results. Now, if you didn't get your first choice, don't leave the process just yet. Make sure you stay on the wait list because as families accept or decline their offers, those wait lists will begin to move. Also, starting today, phase 2 of school choice is now open. Here's our Director of School Choice Operations explaining how phase 2 is different than phase 1. Take a listen.
So phase 2 is actually as it first come, first serve. And so it is not a lottery system. So as seats are available for phase 2, that's how phase 2 works. So as seats are available, first come, first serve, that's how seats are offered in phase 2.
And if you're still exploring your options or again, didn't get your first choice, you have one more chance to connect with us in person. Our final school choice fair is happening this coming Saturday at Madison High School from 9 a.m. until noon. This fair is different than others though. At this one, only campuses with available seats will be there. But this will give you the chance to go around, meet with reps, ask questions, and get a much closer look at what each school has to offer. And take a look at the high quality instruction happening at our early childhood centers. Now, Rice University recently highlighted the work at the Fonwood Early Childhood Center, sharing these photos on Facebook. Now, students as young as 3 and 4 are learning about well-known artists and then creating their own artwork inspired by what they learned. It's all part of the OWL Lab, where students are building early literacy skills while also exploring creativity through hands-on learning. And speaking of our early childhood centers, PreK applications are still open. You have until April 17th to apply. Now, if you're looking to get your child started early, now is the time. Head to our website to fill out the application and to find out more information. That's schoolchoice.houstonisd.org and just click on the PreK tab. In other news, a big shout out to Pin Oak Middle School librarian Brooke Corso. She's been named the 2026 Librarian of the Year by the Texas Library Association. Now, Brooke organized at this year's conference in Houston alongside thousands of librarians from across the state. Congrats to Brooke that is, for representing Pin Oak, HISD, and our city in such a big and positive way. And we've actually featured Brooke right here on HISD now before. Now, I caught up with her last August during our campus close-up, where she talked about building a student-centered library and being a part of such a collaborative school community. You can watch that full story right now on the channel. Just tap that title banner that just popped up on your screen. In other news, for families wanting to learn more about our new virtual school option, don't forget that we're hosting these online info sessions tomorrow for virtual Launchpad. They'll be at noon and at 6 p.m. in both English and Spanish. And they're all happening on Microsoft Teams. So you'll need a link to register and to join. I'll drop those links right below. Also, HISD is hiring. If you or someone you know wants to teach here, this weekend is your chance. We're having a job fair at Del Mar from 8 a.m. until noon. Now, this is a chance to connect with campus leaders, ask questions, and even interview on the spot. And remember, when it comes to pay, HISD is offering some of the highest teacher salaries in the state, with teachers earning even more based on their impact in the classroom. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, I'll also drop that registration link in the video description. Well, that is it for today. That is on HISD Now. As always, thank you for connecting with us. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button because it really helps out the channel. I'll see you right back here tomorrow.